Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write an Australian visitor visa application letter. This letter is used to support your application for an Australian visitor visa subclass 600. Immigration officers review this letter to understand your travel purpose, financial readiness, and your intention to visit Australia temporarily. Now let's go through it step by step so you know how to write it properly. Check this out. Sender's information. This section contains your personal contact details. Write your full name, complete residential address, phone number, and email address. This information is important because it identifies who is submitting the visa application and provides contact details if immigration officers need additional clarification. It also ensures your application is correctly connected to your personal records. Make sure your contact details match your passport and supporting documents. Date. Write the date using the Australian format, which is day, month, year. Example, 6th of May 2026. The date confirms when the application letter was officially prepared and shows that the information is current. Immigration officers may compare this with your intended travel dates and supporting documents. Use the same date format consistently across all submitted documents. Recipient information. This section identifies the authority reviewing your application. Example, Department of Home Affairs, Australian Government. Including this ensures your letter is formally addressed to the correct immigration department. It also gives your document an official and professional structure. Write this exactly as shown in Australian immigration documents. Subject line. Write the visa type clearly. Example, subject, application for Australian visitor visa, subclass 600. This immediately tells immigration officers what type of application your letter supports. It helps organize your documents during processing. Always include the correct visa subclass. Salutation. Example, Dear Visa Officer. This is the opening greeting of your letter. It formally addresses the immigration officer reviewing your application and helps maintain professional structure throughout the document. Keep this section simple and formal. First paragraph, purpose of application. This paragraph states why you are writing. Example, I am writing to formally apply for an Australian visitor visa, subclass 600, for my intended visit to Australia. This clearly explains the purpose of your letter from the beginning. It allows immigration officers to immediately understand the purpose of your application. Keep this statement direct and concise. Second paragraph, personal information. Here, introduce yourself. Example, my name is Michael James Turner, born on the 18th of February 1990, holding passport number N, Z12345667, and I am a citizen of New Zealand. This section confirms your identity and allows immigration officers to match your application letter with your passport records. It ensures there is no confusion regarding the applicant. Double-check these details carefully before submission. Third paragraph, travel dates. State your intended travel period. Include arrival date, departure date, length of stay. Example, I intend to travel to Australia from July 15th, 2026 to August 5th, 2026 for a total stay of approximately 3 weeks. This helps immigration officers understand the time frame of your visit. It also confirms that your stay is temporary and clearly planned. Make sure these dates match your itinerary and travel documents. Fourth paragraph, purpose of visit. Explain the reason for your visit. Example, the purpose of my visit is tourism and visiting family members. This paragraph explains why you are traveling to Australia. Immigration officers use this to confirm that your visit aligns with visitor visa conditions. Be specific and truthful when describing your purpose. Fifth paragraph, host information. This paragraph applies if you are visiting someone in Australia. Include host's full name, Australian address, relationship to you. Example, I will be visiting Sarah Elizabeth Turner, who resides at 45 Collins Street, Melbourne, VIC 3000, and who is my sister. This section helps immigration officers verify your accommodation arrangements and your relationship with the host. It also supports the legitimacy of your travel purpose. Ensure this information matches the host's invitation letter if one is provided. Sixth paragraph, accommodation details. State where you will stay during your visit. Example, During my stay, I will be accommodated at 45 Collins Street, Melbourne 5 IC 3000. This confirms that you have arranged accommodation for your visit. It reassures immigration officers that your travel plans are properly organized. The accommodation details should match any supporting reservations or invitation letters. Seventh paragraph, employment information. Provide details about your current employment. Example, I am currently employed as a project manager at Horizon Solutions Limited, where I have been working since March 2020. This section demonstrates professional stability in your home country. It helps immigration officers assess your reasons for returning after your trip. Attach an employment verification letter if available. Eighth paragraph, source of funding. Choose the statement that matches your situation. If self-funded. Example, I will personally finance my visit to Australia, including airfare, accommodation, transportation, and living expenses. This shows that you are financially capable of supporting your trip. It helps confirm that your travel plans are financially realistic. Provide recent bank statements as evidence. If sponsored. Example, my visit will be financially supported by Sarah Elizabeth Turner, who is my sister. This identifies who is financially supporting your visit. It allows immigration officers to verify sponsorship arrangements. Attach sponsorship evidence and proof of relationship. Ninth paragraph, financial capacity. Confirm your financial readiness. Example, I have sufficient financial resources available for this trip and have attached evidence of my financial capacity. This reassures immigration officers that you can support yourself during your stay. It reduces concerns about financial hardship while in Australia. Make sure your financial evidence supports this statement. 10th paragraph, ties to home country. Explain your reasons for returning home. Example, I have strong ties to New Zealand, including full-time employment, family responsibilities, and property ownership, which ensure my return after my temporary visit to Australia. This is one of the most important parts of the letter. Immigration officers review this carefully to assess whether you genuinely intend to leave Australia after your visit. Provide clear and truthful examples. 11th paragraph, visa compliance statement. Confirm your understanding of visa conditions. Example, I fully understand the conditions of the visitor visa, Subclass 600, and confirm that I will comply with all visa requirements and depart Australia before the expiry of my authorized stay. This reassures immigration officers that you understand your legal responsibilities. It strengthens the credibility of your application. Keep this statement direct and professional. 12th paragraph, supporting documents. List the documents attached to your application. Example, attached to this application are the following supporting documents: copy of passport, financial evidence or bank statements, employment verification letter, travel itinerary, accommodation details, invitation letter if applicable, proof of relationship with host, evidence of ties to home country. These documents provide evidence supporting your claims in the letter. Strong supporting documentation significantly improves your application. Submit updated and clearly readable copies only. 13th paragraph, formal request. Request consideration of your application. Example, I respectfully request your favorable consideration of my application for an Australian visitor visa, Subclass 600. This formally asks immigration officers to review your application. It helps maintain a respectful and professional tone. Keep this sentence concise. Thank you paragraph. This is your professional courtesy statement. Example, thank you for your time and consideration. This adds a respectful closing to your letter. It helps end your application professionally. Keep it brief and polite. Closing. Write the formal closing. Yours faithfully. This marks the official end of the letter and completes its professional structure. It keeps your application formally presented. Add your signature if submitting a printed copy. The signature confirms authenticity and verifies that the letter was personally prepared by you. It adds credibility to your application. Use blue or black ink for printed submissions. Write your full legal name below the signature. This confirms authorship of the letter and connects your signature to your identity. It must match your passport exactly. Never use nicknames or shortened names. Before submitting, carefully review your letter and make sure all supporting documents are attached. A complete and accurate visitor visa application letter can significantly strengthen your Australian visitor visa subclass 600 application. That's it for today's tutorial on how to write an Australian visitor visa application letter. I hope this explanation helps you write your letter correctly and confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you.